Enchilada verdes, let's go. In a pot, add in half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, water, your chicken breasts, season with salt, and cover. While your chicken is cooking, add in your tomatillos, 2 chili serranos, water, season with salt, cover. In a pan to the side, add in half an onion and 2 garlic cloves. Lightly roast them. Your tomatillos are ready when they're slightly yellowish green. Now we're going to blend everything together. After blending, strain your salsa. Set your chicken to the side when it's ready. In a hot pot, we're going to cook our salsa verde. Add in a handful of cilantro, and when it comes to a light boil, season and taste. While your salsa is simmering, you can shred your chicken. Heat up your tortillas, dip into your salsa, add your chicken, and roll. Finish with sauce, cream, onion, cilantro, your choice of cheese. Now eat your enchiladas and buen provecho.